welcome back to Patiodreams. So we are right in summer, wearing sandals, swimwears, cutoffs, and a piece of statement jewelry, of course. So these petal drop earrings are a hot fire in 2021. This is so trendy, unique, and dreamy. It's a perfect pair of unique pieces to brighten up our days. So I'm going to show you how to make your own flower petal long drop earrings only using polymer clay. And this will take you less than 30 minutes and except the baking time. And I assure you this is the easiest polymer clay earrings I have ever made. I made this earring in lilac color matching my outfit. I custom made this color by mixing red, blue and added white accordingly. Unfortunately, I wasn't recording that mixing portion just because I wasn't sure whether I'm going to get that color, but luckily I got it. So like that, you can either custom made your own colors or you can select any color of your choice. Now let's get to work. Select your choice of polymer clay, condition it really well and knead out flat. So here is my lilac shade. I'm going to knead it flat using my pasta machine and I will be right back. So once you are ready with your clay sheet, you need to cut out petal shapes. So for getting petal shape, you can use round cutters or oval shaped cutters, or you can hand cut your own shape, which means you need to get a petal shape, and the easiest way to get a petal shape is using a round cutter or oval shaped cutter. So if you don't have any of these two cutters, you can just draw a round shape which doesn't have to be an exact round and just cut out using your hands. Here I am using a bottle cap with a round shaped edge, and I'm just dipping that bottle cap in corn flour to avoid sticking. For making a single piece of earring, you need 4 petals, which means for making a pair of earrings, you'll need 8 petals. So, if you want to make more than one pair of earrings, you need to increase the number of petals. So here I am only making a pair of earrings. Cut out the petals as many as you want. Once you are ready with your round shape, you need to take one and crinkle that into an irregular petal shape like so. Just using your hands, crinkle that a little bit until you get an irregular petal shape. It's so easy, and you don't have to worry about making exact copies of petals because not two petals are in equal shape. So if there is a difference, that's totally okay. Just make an organic, irregular petal kind of shape and that's it. So this is the only process behind this earrings making. So once you're ready with your petals, you can simply go ahead and bake it and you are done. So you can poke a hole before baking. So here I would prefer to go ahead and bake it, and I'm going to drill a hole after it gets baked. So I'm going to repeat this process until I'm done with all my petals, and I'm going to bake this on this tile itself. So I don't need to transfer this to another baking tray. So I'm going to arrange all the petals on this tile and then I'm going to bake it at 275 for 45 to 50 minutes, and I'm going to wait until it gets completely cold, and I'll be back and we can assemble these earrings. So I'm done with the petals. Now I'm going to go ahead and bake these cuties at 275 for 45 to 50 minutes, and then I'll be back. So here is me on the next day. As you see, here is my shiny petals. So if you ask me where do you get the shine, it's because I have used Sculpy gloss glaze for getting the shine and glaze. And I have also poked a hole using my husband's drill. So I'm all set for assembling these beautiful earrings. For assembling, you need gem rings and eye pins, and of course earring post. So let's get to work. So actually we are going to layer these petals on top of each other. So for that you need to take one gem ring, open it and connect two petals into that. So you open a gem ring, insert two petals, and now take another gem ring and insert that gem ring into that first gem ring. And now close the first gem ring. So now we have two petals and two gem rings on. Now you need to open the second gem ring and insert two more petals. And this is how we have arranged the petals on top of each other, and in total we have 4 petals in one earrings. And now you need to insert an eye pin onto this second gem ring. After inserting the petals, you need to add an eye pin onto that second gem ring. So add the eye pin onto that second gem ring and close it. So this is how this earrings looks now. And now you need to make a loop on the other side of this eye pin and connect that onto this earring post, like so. So I'm going to make a loop on the other side using this pliers and connect that onto this earring post, and ta-da! You are ready with your flower drop petal earrings. And voila! We have finished making our flower drop earrings. Look how easy was that. This is so amazing and the easiest earrings I have ever made. This is so trendy and so dreamy. I am in love with this color and this earrings. And it literally took me less than 30 minutes for making these earrings, except that baking time. So this is the easiest and the quickest polymer clay earrings that you're going to make. So I'm gonna finish my second earrings and I'm done. Look how freaking gorgeous is this. You should be tempted to wear them all days long. It's such a beauty staple for this summer. And let me tell you a secret. People won't believe when you say it's handmade by you. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to try this at home and make yourself one. I hope you liked this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also please follow my Instagram ID which is in my description box. And bye for now. See you in next video. Bye bye. Toodles.